Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your pattern experience, whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator. Join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see, and you have just to know more information before getting started. So what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a close connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, all you have to do is click over here if you want to sign up and you start your inscription. But if you already have an account, you click over login. You can use Google and other options like Apple and Facebook. You write your email address here. You click over continue. Once you do that, you write your password, as you can see. Then you click over continue. And you will find this page, but you have just to verify if it's for creator or member. You have to choose a creator to get started. In the home page, we have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. We have here the profile photo. Describe your page, let people know about who are you and what you will be using Patreon. Click over here, you write your video URL or enter a video, then we have your PO, add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and why you are on Patreon. Then we have your social, help people find you wherever you are, connect you other accounts to show them on your page. We will never post on your behalf. We have also here use connection with Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, and I already connected with YouTube. Then you click over save. Then we have here make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus based off work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Then we have your publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then you have tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back here, make your first post. You have just firstly to select a type, for example, text, video, audio, image, link, poll, or live stream. I will choose the first one. You have your create text post. You have to add a title. For example, here, write selling products. Then we have here also, I will write buy or sell new shoes of Kyrie Irving Infinity. Then you have to upload attachment and you click over next. Here we have publishing options, some product here. Then we have who can access this post, public or paid members or free members only. And we have set our release date. Should you post or set it to have an earlier release date, backdated, post will want to be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. Then we have your allow comments on this post. All members can comment on your public posts. You have just to switch off or switch on. Then we have your notify members when this post goes live. Members will get notified based on their notification settings. You have just to switch on, switch off, and that's it. Then you can just publish it. So let's come back. That's it, how you can get started with these 5 steps. Then we have your collections. You have just to create a collection here. You add the title, description also, and you upload image if you want. And then you click over create collection. Then we have your membership. Build your paid membership. Income you can count on. Earn acquiring income from your biggest fans. Then you have start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Grow your creative business. Get insights on your members. Create exclusive member only chats and more. You have just to click over get started and you'll find this. Choose what to offer. You can just read this to more understand. Then you have what benefits should I offer. Bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat. Then you have member only voting. Then you have only access and you click over next. Then you have your tires and pricing. How many tires should I have? You can just read this information. Then you have what price should I choose, and this is the answer. Then you click over done. You have your customized tire. You have to write your tire name, monthly price. You have you describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you have to add the cover image. You have tire benefits. Let your members know that what they can expect from this membership tire. Then you have your free trial. Allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. Then you have advanced here. Tire settings. Ask members for a shipping address in the checkout. Then you have limited number of members who can join this tire. For example, 1 million because I'm very famous and I just want 1 million people that join that, because I have a various and several or a lot of people that follow me on social media. Then you have Discord access. Manage Discord access in Discord settings. And you have configure VAT. Sales tax on your tires is configurable when you have added 2 more benefits. Then you click over save. So this is how it works with Patreon. You can just get started as soon as possible, and I think you will success if you create the content or you have other things. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.